I'm Sarah Dickens, and my job today is to hold everything together. I'm the compere, if you like, but I'm somebody who's been analysing and studying the Welsh economy for more than 20 years. And so for me to be here today, to have the public sector here, the private sector, so many different types of this important advanced manufacturing industry here in one room, all looking forward, has been really exciting.
Depending on the size and the turnover, the workforce, etc., there's various scales of support that we can bring in as a government. And what that means is that we can help them train, retrain and recruit. We can help them with equipment, we can help them with bricks and mortars, and we can also help them with supply chain and market intelligence. So it's the whole spectrum based around one individual called the Business Development Manager, who links in with the company, and the Business Development Manager links in with me.
Our talk was about the growth that we're seeing with our advanced material in Denbighshire. Our company has started up in Denbighshire with our CEO starting at Pilkington's, and that giving him the opportunity to move away to the US on a specialist apprenticeship and then come back and start his own business. So we've seen a lot of growth within St Asaph Business Park, and we continue to see that and forecast it for the future with our new Armadillo project.
The key messages that came out today were very interesting, especially when we talked about skills. They talked about innovation, they talked about development of the local economy of employees, and that fits very much with what we do at Wrexham University. We were very much about building and developing skills of people, of employees and of businesses to help them grow and develop, which obviously then impacts on the economy. So a lot of what we do as a university and how we want to build relationships with local industry does fit in exactly with a lot of what we've been talking about today about building Denbighshire as a region.
Well, today I'm actually the last speaker because the idea is to give a talk on the global economic outlook. Denbighshire is not an economy just on its own. It will be influenced by what is going on in the global scene. And we thought it would be helpful to round up the day for the people at the conference about what the economic outlook looks like going forward over the next 3 to 4 years.